Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to apply for unemployment in Texas. Now, before we actually go and do that, what we need to do is we need to go to Google and type in how to apply for unemployment in Texas. We'll get the first link right here, which is called www.tvc.texas.government, basically. So we'll need to click on this. Once we click on this, we'll land on this page. So this is the page you want to be at. Just wanted to make sure that you're on the correct page. Now, as you can see, find about unemployment benefits in Texas, including how to apply for benefits, the basics of unemployment benefits, initial and ongoing eligibility requirements, how and why to report work and earning when you request a benefit payment, and how to appeal a decision you do not agree with. Now, obviously, getting started is very easy. Here, you can apply for benefits. Here, you can see all the other information, how to request benefit payments, stuff like that. But if you want to apply for benefits, all you have to do is click here. And as you can see, it also says apply online at Unemployment Benefit Services by selecting apply for benefits. You can also apply by calling a telecenter at this number during a regular business hours. Now, as you can see, what you need to do is you need to log on. So as you can see, if you're new to Unemployment Benefit Services, and if you already have a user ID for another TWC internet application, such as Working Texas, then you can try logging with that ID. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up for a user ID, which is here. You'll need to basically go through this entire process. Once you go through this entire process, you can go back here, apply for benefits, and log in here. Now, once you log in here, you will need to go through the process of, applying for unemployment in Texas. Obviously, a couple more informations you will need to provide, and then you will be able to finally apply for unemployment in Texas. Now, since I'm not a Texas resident, I cannot show you this step by step and deep, but you will be able to go through this. And if you have any questions, you can still call that number right here, which is a really simple way on how to, mitigate any mistakes from your end. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.